All right, welcome back. We have recovered from our Shigar Lok trip, so check that out if you haven't already. Don't know if it was a fail or not, but it was definitely hard work, and I don't think I'll be back. Will you be back?
There's definitely some trauma involved.
Yeah, but we're well recovered now. We've had a couple of good nights sleep.
Where are we now?
We are now in a little town at the bottom of the Gappa Valley. And so we're just cruising through the street at this little village and getting some supplies for the day, so some water and some snacks. But yeah, so hopefully the Gappa Valley, it's meant to be super beautiful, and we're gonna do some exploring around there. It sounds like a super beautiful valley. It's a little bit more mellow than our last trip, but still high alpine meadows. We are nearing the top of our Jeep track. Got some pretty sweet glaciers up behind us. Like, the scenery up here is unreal. I think we're gonna ride back down the road if we can't find a trail, because it will be heaps more comfortable than in a vehicle. But there's trails kind of everywhere, so we'll see what we can find. Up there is the Gappa Glacier. There's another pass that we can go up over here, which is similar height to the Dorsai Plateau, 4,200 meters, 200 lower than what we went already. But the gradient looks really good. It looks like a steep climb, which will be hard work, but you could ride back down that, which is pretty sweet. What we've found so far is things have been too steep or not steep enough, and with chunky stuff it kind of needs to be steep so that you can go faster. But that's Rakaposhi in the background, Hunza Valley down below us. I think we've finally found what we were looking for. We've left the Hiluxes behind and we're just pushing up into this high pasture, which feels so much easier than the other day. How are you feeling, bro?
Much better.
Yeah,
much better.
I think we might be a little acclimatized now.
Yeah.
All right, into the bottom of the Gappa Valley. So this is supposed to be what the trail's like up to the glacier, but I don't really know if this is the go. It's pretty fun though. Ew! And then we're gonna go and have some tomorrow tea, which is like delicious herbal tea. It's made from a flower up here. We're up.
That's pretty fun, dude.
Yeah, man.
That's sick.
Shot. Cool stove.
It's fine.
Oh, up here at Gappa Meadows, and now we're heading down the Gappa Valley to see what we can find along the sides of the valley. Holy smokes! Oh, punch.
It's getting stormy. Glad we didn't go up to 4,000.
Yeah. So now we kind of just follow our nose all the way down the valley. Adam's just above us, just behind us. Up and down.
Where do we need to go? Oh, that's not possible.
Nah. Thank you. All right, we found the old road, which looks sick. Very single tracky. It's all been washed out, so they just built a new road. Goat! Chunky! It's pretty good. This is cool. Been riding around all day. And then we saw this from the road, but it's actually sick. Single track. Such a cool way to see the area. There's kids everywhere. The valley apparently is 100% educated, so they got a primary school, a middle school and a high school. And then if kids want, they can go off to the city, just down the valley to Gilgit, to university, or Islamabad. Hello. 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 There's doors everywhere. Where? Oh yeah.
Wow.
Bah. Oh, sorry mate. Did you not hear me? Is that us?
You can, yes.
That's us. Yeah. Sounds epic. Sick. You. Have we got everyone? We don't have Mike. We have everyone but Mike. Hello. Hello. Yeah, we went down, come back up. Too far, too steep. Big cliff. Yeah. Ah. Yeah, big cliff. We did not go that far. No. Spots like this. Cute little kids everywhere. But a pretty cool little ridge for a sick photo, mate. Rakaposhi up there. Gappa Valley up behind us. Whew, still trying to catch our breath.
Yeah. Heart's beating right out of my chest.
Actual sick. Good boy. What a day. So here we are at the bottom of the Gappa Valley. A lot of exploring was done. A lot of fun little single track was found, old roads and little pathways through villages and stuff. And we found a couple potentials for the next trip. But this area's got heaps of potential, I reckon, the Hunza Valley. All we need to do is man up and go over some passes. But tomorrow will be the Rakaposhi base camp. We're going to go camp up there, so stay posted. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notifications. Leave a comment, let me know what you liked about these, whether you're liking the people, the places, or the riding. Yeah, it's been super fun making them.